What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another More Than Hype unboxing and review. And today, we'll be taking a look at the Air Max 90 denim. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. If you'd like to see more sneaker related content, you can click the More Than Hype logo at any time in the bottom right corner of the video to subscribe. Now, this Air Max 90 release is revamped with a full denim upper, a material the founder of denim, Jason Denim, has always been fascinated with. Taking fabrics from Italy and Japan and mixing that with his obsession for every detail, Denim creates its premium quality denim products. Not to mention, the company has a focus on sustainability throughout the process. Alright, starting with the packaging, plain brown box with just a cutout of the swoosh on top. Already like the direction that this is going in. Let's take a look at the size tag. So I did get a size 8.5 in these, and I find they are true to size just like any other Air Max 90. If you're looking to get a pair, I recommend you get your true size. And for comparison, I also wear a size 8.5 in other Nikes like the Air Max 1 and Air Jordan 1. Colors here are denim, medium denim, and infrared, and the style code is CU1646400. Retail price was $160, so $20 more than other GR Air Max 90s. Now let's take a look inside, and we're greeted with something a bit unique. Instead of paper, we have our shoes wrapped up in these drawstring dust bags. On them we have all these different types of scissors. The ones that really catch my eye are this pinwheel one, and then this one that looks like a sickle right next to it. Those don't look very useful if you need to cut jeans. But here we are. The trademark logo of denim is a pair of scissors, so they're continuing that theme here in the packaging. It's a nice touch as well as a nod to their own brand. So let's take a closer look at the shoes. Alright, so first impressions, I like the layering they've done here with the separate panels in different colors on this Air Max 90 silhouette. They chose to use the infrared accents of the shoe, which is just so traditionally Air Max 90. But they've added enough of their own twist to it to make it their own. So let's take a closer look and get both pairs out. We've got 4 different shades of denim here, and the placement of these materials are sort of split in half. Let me show you what I mean. So the mudguard on this lateral side is this darker indigo color, and then that quarter panel above it is a more medium color denim. Finally, we have this sort of pinstripe design on the swoosh in the lightest indigo color. And it's this material here on the swoosh that comprises the medial side's mudguard. So if we take a look at it from this angle here, you can see it's kind of split. And now it's this swoosh material that makes up this medial mudguard, as well as the lateral mudguard material making up the swoosh here on the medial side. And then on the quarter panel, we have more of this medium indigo color that goes around, wraps around the toes, and we also get a little hit of the same material here that goes around here on the quarter panel on the bottom of the eyelets. Finally, we get this underlay, which is this cream colored denim, but I've come to find out it's not colored at all, but actually a material called ecru denim, which I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. It's basically an undyed denim, and this is the natural color of cotton that makes up this denim fabric. We don't talk about it a lot or perceive the fashion industry as a big polluter, but fashion, and especially this era of fast fashion, is taking quite a toll on our environment. It's estimated that 2,000 gallons of water is used to produce a single pair of jeans. And to put that into perspective, the average person only drinks about a gallon of water a day. As I mentioned before, sustainability is a big part of the denim brand, and according to their site, the denim used here is dyed sustainably. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can read all about their sustainability efforts. One really cool thing they do is promote reuse by guaranteeing free repairs for life on their virgin and salvage denim jeans. That's an amazing service you don't hear too many brands offering. Kind of went on a tangent about sustainability, so back to this underlay. You get the ecru denim on the toe box as well as on the heel and on the tongue. Up top, instead of the usual Nike patch, we see here we get this embroidery of Nike Air in infrared. It's an interesting touch, but then I found that every pair of denim jeans is embroidered with the trademark scissor logo, which takes 691 stitches, and knowing that, it feels like that may have been a reason they went with this embroidery as opposed to the patch. Moving on down, the flat white laces feel a little bit more premium than what you get on GR releases of the Air Max 90. They're not quite waxed, but you can just feel them and you just know that they're a little bit nicer than what you usually get. And of course, the lace tips have a little bit of branding on them themselves. So on one we have the Nike swoosh, and on the other we have that signature scissor logo from Denim. Lastly, we get this interesting loop on the middle of the tongue. This is actually the selvage in its signature blue and white that Denim uses to make its jeans. A nice touch to tie all of this together. And on the heel, instead of the regular TPU badge, we get a leather one embossed with Nike Air, giving the upper a more premium look and feel. On the inside of the shoe, we see Denim the Jean Maker imprinted on the lining. I also want to note that whatever this material is that's lining the shoe, it's really plush. On the insole, we get a few more of those scissors, as well as some Nike branding on a nice foam insole. No ortholite here, although for an Air Max 90, the bottom of this insole has the Air Max 1 traction pattern. This has been something Nike has been doing since these insoles were a thing. I'd hope Nike would have made that update, but I guess they figured it's the bottom of an insole. No one's going to notice except people like me, and the majority of people won't care. Anyway, this Denim collaboration did release in a pack. One of those releases being an Air Max 1, which I assume got the right insole, but it did retail for almost double these at $300. Moving on, from the midsole down, this is exactly like the Air Max 90 Infrared OG, which conveniently is re-releasing on November 9th in the US. And when I say exactly the same, I really mean the same infrared colors, the same white midsole, the same black and infrared outsole, no Denim branding here, nothing in the airbag, exactly the same. So overall, I think Denim did a solid job of capturing the Air Max 90 aesthetic while balancing that with their own message and brand identity. I also love how Denim has woven their mission of sustainability into a big part of this collaboration. With a full denim upper, these are easy to wear and require no break-in time. I think any fan of the Air Max 90 will really enjoy wearing these. And that brings us to the end of this review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more sneaker related content, and I'll catch you on the next video.